Today we are going to cover a concept called population pyramid, which will enable the students to understand the population structure of a country and also to understand the demographic transition from developing country to a developed country. But before we start, we have few questions often in our mind, like how does the population of a country affects its economy? Do high population become a burden or an asset to a nation? What does the population pyramid depicts? Does it merely shows the population of the different age group of two sexes or something else? Do the population pyramid of a developing or a developed nation follows a particular trend? What are the factors which make them behave this way? Now this worksheet will answer all these questions. This is an analytical worksheet and requires a student to really understand the change in the population trend as a country moves from underdeveloped to a developed nation. The worksheet introduces in a subtle way the 4 stages of demographic transition model, which beautifully teaches the student how death rate, birth rate, life expectancy affects the trend of the population of nations. This worksheet will help the students in not just understanding the significance of the population development, but also help him relate to the modern developments of the world. Now, this worksheet starts with 2 beautiful graphs, which is depicted by a developing country and a developed country, and followed by a closed test, where student will learn that how death rate, birth rate, and population growth affects. Furthermore, the worksheet follows few questions, and they are: why are more older female and males in case of developed and developing countries? Why is this difference huge in case of developed country? What is the reason for higher population of children in developing countries? And what is the reason for higher population of adults in developed countries? After answering these questions, this beautiful model has been given a few stages which student will think and analyze. Lastly, this worksheet also takes us to think about India also. What kind of changes are expected in the Indian demography in the coming years as India approaches to become a developed country? Is the Indian government taking steps in this direction?